Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 different side hustles that you can use to start making money in 2020. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 different side hustles that you can use to start earning some extra money in 2020. Now, maybe your New Year's resolution was to make more money in 2020, so these 5 side hustles are going to help you out. Some of these you can use to make some extra cash on the side, or some of these you can actually use to earn you a full-time income. Now, before I share these 5 different methods with you, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just share these methods with you. So the first one is going to be freelancing. So if you don't know what freelancing is, it's basically providing services and getting paid in exchange. So usually this includes like a one-time service. So if you're looking for a freelancing website, the most common one that I would recommend is Fiverr.com. So basically, you're going to be providing online services for people, and when somebody contacts you to provide a service, you're going to provide that service and then you're going to get paid once it's done. Now, if you're wondering what types of services that you can provide as a freelancer on Fiverr, I mean, there's a whole list that you can provide. If you're knowledgeable in any type of area like digital marketing, graphic design, video editing, virtual assistant, you can provide any of these types of services. Now, most people would make the excuse saying that they don't know how to provide any type of online service, but I would just recommend that you take the time to learn. I mean, we have the internet at our disposal, so basically we can Google anything that we want to learn, and we can just go to YouTube if we were trying to learn anything. So there's basically no excuse as to why you can't learn something new. Because when you take the time to learn a new skill, I mean, you can use that skill to make you money over and over again. Now, if I didn't mention this before, if you're wondering how you get started with Fiverr, you just basically go to Fiverr.com, you sign up, and then basically you create your profile, and then you create a gig. So basically this is the service that you're going to be providing. Somebody contacts you to provide that service, then you provide it, and then you get paid. Now, the next side hustle that you can use to start earning money on the side is going to be YouTube. Now, most people don't consider YouTube as a way to make money. They just see it as a platform to watch like cat videos or whatever they like to watch. But people actually make money on YouTube. Now, you're probably thinking about all the big time YouTubers who make a lot of money by having ads run before, during, or after their videos. Now, in order for your channel to get monetized or get approved to have ads running on your videos, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. Now, for most people, I mean, that's a hard thing to do, but there's a few different other ways that you can make money by having a YouTube channel. You can promote affiliate products in your videos and then just leave the affiliate links in the description of your video. So if somebody, let's say that you're reviewing maybe a certain type of headphone that just came out and you're talking about all the features of that headphones, the pros and the cons, what the price is, who would be best suitable for those pair of headphones, you just do a full in-depth review. And if somebody is interested in buying those headphones, you just redirect them to the link in your description of your video, and that's going to take them to the sales page where they can buy those headphones for themselves. And if they click on your link and they purchase those headphones, then you would earn a commission from that. Now, another way that you can make money through YouTube before you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time is that you can also sell your own merchandise. A lot of people use a print-on-demand service called Teespring. So basically, what they do is they upload their own graphic design on, let's say, a t-shirt, and it's going to be an online store that they're going to host on a different platform. And when somebody clicks on your t-shirt in the description of your video, it's going to take them to their online store where they can purchase that t-shirt for themselves. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit more about this in detail, but let me just move on to the next method. So the third side hustle that you can use to start making money is going to be an app called Lime. Now, some people probably use this already, and if you don't know what Lime is, it's basically one of those apps that lets you rent out electric scooters. If you want to just drive around town or you don't want to pay for an Uber, you can just download the app and you hook up your bank card to it, and then you just pay to rent out a scooter. And then whenever you're done, you just leave the scooter on the side of the road. But you can actually make money by picking up those scooters and taking them home to charge, because since they're electric scooters, they need to be charged every day. Now, the way that you would do this is you would just go to lime.com, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the homepage, and it's going to say become a juicer. So basically, you're going to sign up and you can set your own hours. And once you're signed up and you're approved, then you're going to download the app on your phone, and it's going to show you a map of all the scooters in your area and how much they're going to pay you to charge each one. Now usually they pay you about between $4 to $8 per scooter. It depends on where it's at and how low the battery is. Now when you sign up, they're going to give you a charger where you can charge up to 4 scooters at one time. Now if you want to charge more scooters than that, you just simply order another charger. Now this method I would recommend for people who have a van or a truck. That way you can just take a bunch of scooters at one time, charge them, and then put them back out into the street. So when you do this, you do have to put the scooters back out into the street before, I believe it's 7 a.m. Okay, so let me talk about the fourth side hustle, which is going to be what I mentioned earlier, a print-on-demand service. So, as I just explained, print-on-demand is basically where you have a design that you want to put on a t-shirt, but you don't have a huge budget to invest into like silk screening hundreds of shirts. What you can do is just create one graphic design, and then you can go to a website called Teespring, and you can just upload that design on a t-shirt that you plan on selling. Now, let's say that somebody comes to Teespring and they see your t-shirt and they want to buy it. So what you would have to do is just factor in the cost that it takes to make that shirt and have it shipped out to the customer, and then you add your commission on top of that. So let's say, for example, the t-shirt that you're selling, they're going to charge you $13 to have it printed and shipped out to the customer. So obviously you're going to want to make some money on top of that. So you can sell that t-shirt for $25, so you would be making $12 on top of what you're being charged. Now the cool thing about Teespring is that it's not only limited to having t-shirts printed. You can print your graphic design on hoodies, bags, coffee mugs, cell phone cases, sweaters, leggings. I mean, you can just go to their website and just see what type of merchandise that you can have printed. And it's pretty easy to sign up with Teespring. You just basically sign up and then you're going to create your store. So for the example that I mentioned earlier on how to make money with YouTube by selling print-on-demand merchandise, a lot of big-time YouTubers do this. They have their merchandise under their video, and let's say that you see a t-shirt that you like, you click on that t-shirt and it's going to take you to their Teespring web store. Now this is also a great way to make a passive income because once again, you don't have to invest any money up front by having a bunch of inventory or a bunch of t-shirts printed up front. It's basically a customer wants to buy a t-shirt, that t-shirt gets printed and sent off to the customer. Hence the name print on demand. Okay, so let me talk about the last side hustle that you can get started with in 2020. And that's going to be affiliate marketing. So you probably heard about affiliate marketing, what it's all about, but if you're not sure what it is, basically affiliate marketing is where you're promoting other people's products online through a specific link that's coded directly to you. So let's say that I'm promoting this marker right here. So if I talk about all the benefits and features of this marker, who it's meant for, I mean what you can use it on a whiteboard, and I'll have an affiliate link for this marker that you can buy it for yourself in the description of this video. If you were to click on that affiliate link and you buy that marker, then I would earn a commission. So that's basically how affiliate marketing works. Now the cool thing about affiliate marketing is that it's free to get started. There's plenty of different affiliate programs out there where you can get started for free. The most common one is Amazon Associates. So basically anything that is sold on Amazon, you can promote that as an affiliate. Now the downside about using Amazon is that they pay very low when it comes to commissions. Now if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you have no idea how to get started, I mean, I wouldn't recommend just promoting any type of affiliate link everywhere that you can because, I mean, you're not going to get really good results that way. But if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have an ebook in the description of this video called The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. And basically, it explains the whole breakdown of affiliate marketing and how you can become successful with it. Now, if you guys are interested in that ebook, you can get access to it for $1.99. And there's a whole lot of valuable information which is worth way more than $2. Well, that's basically the 5 side hustles that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now, if you're somebody who's looking to start your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.